I know this is a lot of fun. As you can see, it's New Year's Day. As you can see, there's a bunch of fireworks everywhere. Wow, it's so beautiful. Okay, look everybody, my friends from school. Look everyone. It's a whole bunch of fireworks. It's the same as 4th of July. You can hear them. Wow, there's a lot of fireworks. You see this, everyone? So, look, everyone. Look, this is amazing. Like, so amazing to see a bunch of fireworks. Whoa. Because this is New Year's, that's why they're celebrating the fireworks. It's actually the same as the 4th of July, just like last time. You don't guys notice? Scroll down. For those of you who are from my class, if you don't notice, scroll down to the 4th of July videos. I made that video, okay? These are only for my classes. So as you can see, it's 12 something, 12 in the night. Well, this is amazing. I know you can't see that much, you guys, because my camera's like not good. That's why I need a new cami. Boom, another one. Boom, another one. Boom. It's an amazing night. Pretty amazing night to see the new season. Whoa. See this? This is so freaking amazing. Like, honestly, it's like the same thing as 4th of July. Don't see the fireworks. Whoa. Gonna have to get a whole. Yeah, it's January now. It just passed December. It is now 2021. That's why they're celebrating for the year of 2021. Well, I ain't celebrating because I don't have fireworks. I only have fireworks in the 4th of July. Well, trust me, I'm just gonna celebrate 4th of July 2021. Stay tuned because another 4th of July is coming up soon. I hear sirens. I hear sirens. Shh. Everyone, I think I hear sirens. A police siren. I'm not sure you guys hear that, but I hear like police siren. Oh my god, my arm. I've been holding this tablet. Oh, you can hear the sound of it. You hear that? It's the sound of the fireworks. So I already passed 12 a.m. You guys hear sirens? Whoa. Excuse me. I just ate something for the night. I don't know, maybe tacos from Jack. It's still going. Well, this is amazing. There's even more fireworks than everywhere than the 2021. Yeah, you can't see that much from the fireworks. It's already. Is it over? I know it's still going. Yeah, I hear it still. Okay, guys, I'm gonna go end the video. Hope you enjoyed this New Year's of January 1st. I'm gonna go to bed. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace!